guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a beginner-friendly Christmas shirt using our Cricut Maker and Easy Press. So let's get started. So I'm just on the home page in Cricut Design Space. I'm going to click on over to my canvas here. I've already got my gone into images and typed in Christmas movie shirt, and we've got quite a few to choose from. Let's see what the newest are here. This is my Christmas movie watching shirt. Some people have Christmas movie watching shirts. Don't they have pajamas? That's pretty cute. Let's see. This one's really cute here. I like the trees on it. I'm just going to use white vinyl again today. I've got a lot of this white vinyl, flocked vinyl. It's kind of gives it a puffed look. Oh, this is really cute. This is my Christmas movies watching shirt. I really like this one. Let's put this on the maybe list. I'm just going to scroll through here just in case I see anything I like more. Most likely to watch all the Christmas movies. I'd rather be watching Christmas movies, hot chocolate, ugly sweaters, candy cane, Santa Claus movie nights. That's really cute. This is really on trend right now, this sort of wavy retro font. Santa gloves, reindeer, hot cocoa, holiday movies, Christmas lights. This is really cute. Let's see. Santa Claus, snowman, buffalo plate, hot cocoa, Christmas movies. I like this one too. Let's put that on the maybe list. Okay, you know what? Let's make two. Let's make two shirts. I've got two shirts that I can use for today. They're this really nice dark green, which is also really on trend right now. Christmas movies and chill. That's pretty cute. For the sake of this being a beginner-friendly tutorial, I'm going to stick to using one color. I think I said that before, but let's just, all right. Oh, this one's really cute too. Maybe I'll save that for later. Add to collection. Okay. All right, let's add these two to the canvas. Oh, this is pretty cute too. I just want to watch Christmas movies and drink hot cocoa. All right, let's add those two to the canvas. All right, click off. Now I can separate them. This is my Christmas movie watching shirt. Santa Claus. This is so cute. Okay. All right, so let's start with the circular one here. I'm just gonna move this off my canvas for the moment. And depending on how big you want your design, I always like to lay my shirt down and measure out sort of how big I want the logo, where I want the logo. So let's for the sake of this being a beginner-friendly tutorial, I have to remember that not everybody has had the same amount of experience that I do making shirts with my Cricut. Let's see, it's not a scoop neck shirt. We've got a crew neck shirt. I think I saw it back up at the top here. There we go, classic shirts. And it will load up here in a second. All right, there we go. So we could do like a center placement like that. You could also make it sort of like a pocket design like so. Let's see, make it a bit larger. now that I've got it on a template, I'm really kind of feeling more drawn to making this one first, but let's go with this one. Let's start with this one. We can come back to the circular one. Okay. So, and as you can see here, we've got 10 inches by 9 inches there. So 10.5 inches by 9. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller because the shirt I'm making is an extra small. All right. Okay. Make. All right. So this is the pre-printing area here. So I'm just taking a look at my measurements again. I feel like 10 inches might be a bit big for what I'm looking for with this project. So I'm just going to go ahead and just cancel this, cut. I'm going to go in here and I'm just going to make it a bit smaller because you have to remember we've got these little dots here. So they're going to take up a bit more room. So let's see. I think that size is going to look a little bit more nicer on my shirt. All right, and click make. Okay, so we want to make sure that we're going to mirror our project. Okay, guys, so anytime we're doing an iron-on vinyl, you always want to make sure that you mirror the words. So we're going to click yes to this so that when we press the shirt that we're going to be reading it correctly. So always, always, always remember to mirror. There's been so many times in my earlier cricketing days where I have forgotten to mirror my project and printed it out just like this and went to flip it over to, after I've done all the weeding and everything, right? So it can be a huge time waster and a huge material maker. So always remember to mirror. And sometimes it even helps to create a little banner or sticker for your Cricut. I've seen a lot of people that do that, and they just to remind them. Okay, so, oh, that's my heat press ready there. It's shutting off. I've had it on for too long. All right, now connect your Cricut Maker. So I'm going to go ahead and connect my maker, and I'll see you for the t-shirt making process. Okay, so I've got a lot of it cut down and weeded out here. Gosh, I just love this. I find weeding to be so satisfying and therapeutic. It's almost like one of those like squishy balls, right? Like, yeah, I just really enjoy it. I think it's relaxing, and this flocked vinyl really is quite fun, even though it is a little bit more stiff. And always being careful not to take something out that we need. Okay guys, so I have my blank t-shirt ready to go here. So this is a cotton blank shirt. I think it's by American Apparel. I actually picked this up at a Dollarama, I think a couple years ago now, for like $2. It was a wicked, wicked, wicked price. So let's get started. I've got my preheated easy press, sorry. I have a regular professional heat press, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to use the easy press. I'm also still in my dining room while my craft room is being renovated. So I've got my wonderful cotton shirt. I've got my Cricut heat pressing mat underneath, and we are just going to start by ironing out any wrinkles in the shirt, making sure that there's nothing, excuse me, nothing stuck on there. Now the shirt looks like it's black on my computer or on my phone screen there, on my camera screen, but it is a dark green. Now these lines are gonna go away after you wash. You see, you can see a little bit of the heat mark there from the heat. Those are gonna go away after we wash our shirt. That's normal for darker colors, especially black and emerald green like we have here. All right, so we have our shirt ironed. I'm gonna take my tape measure here and do a quick measurement. Excuse me, armpit to armpit. I usually go from the bottom to the bottom. All right, so we're sitting at about 17, and we're looking at about a halfway point here, 8.5 inches. All right, and I usually go about 4 inches down. All right, and now I'm gonna grab my transfer here. And what I usually do is I usually fold it in half, but always eye it out. I mean, you can measure it, but sometimes with a design, it looks better if you just sort of eye it out. All right. So again, I am just gonna double check my measurement. So I go from the neckline down, and I usually go down about 4 inches. And I find that that's a really good measurement for me and the shirts and how I like them placed. So I'm just gonna reposition my shirt here. All right, and another thing, we wanna make sure that we're at the correct temp and the correct time for our shirt, okay? So it's gonna be dependent on your vinyl. Always make sure to read your instructions on your vinyl, because every vinyl manufacturer will be a bit different. And I'm just gonna get started here. Oops, I turned it off. I'm gonna get started with the time. And it's a medium pressure. Now, if you had a bigger easy press, you wouldn't have to move around your t-shirt, but I only have a small one, and I did not feel like going downstairs just to get my regular professional heat press going, but this will do just fine for what we're using this for. There we go.
Did you check the food, Mom?
Yeah.
Is it cooked?
Nope. I'm just recording. Now with a flocked vinyl, with this flocked vinyl that I'm using, it is a cool peel. So we have to give it a little bit of time to cool before we peel. Otherwise, you're going to end up pulling up the vinyl and it's going to ruin your shirt. So we will just wait a few minutes until we peel. All right, guys, how cute is this? Thanks for watching. I hope this inspires you to create something of your own.